morning, class. Today we will be learning about the art process. Now, in order to know about the art process, we need to know what exactly art is and how it is created. So we'll be beginning Lesson 1, the art process. What is art? So art is a creative activity that expresses imaginative or technical skill. Art can express the feelings that you may have a hard time putting into words, and it's a lot easier to express how you feel. So art can come in many different ways, such as writing, visual, and musical. So what are the 7 forms of art? So we already went over the visual, writing, and musical. So now we're going to move on to forms of art. So for visual, there's painting and sculpture, which are art that you can see. There's literature, writing, architecture, buildings, theater, musicals, plays, films, movies, cartoons, and music. Moving on to the art process. So the art process is a process in which art is created. And there are 5 steps in this art process. So we're going to start beginning with that. Step 1 being brainstorming. So in the brainstorming stage, you begin to develop what you want to create. You start writing down ideas. And then step 2 is drawing out your plan. So once you conclude to which one you want specifically, you will start, okay, I want to start drawing a horse. So I'm going to decide what kind of colors I want to use. So evaluate your plan is step 3. Step 3 is when you already know what you got and you start drawing it and you actually begin to work in it and like putting stuff in there. And then step 4 is completing the artwork. So that is when you're done and you're like, okay, and then you take a break and then you come back to step 5, which is add the final details. So after you take a little bit and you look at it, you decide if you want to add anything else to it. And then when you're done, it's completed and you are completely satisfied with your work. So before you go, don't forget, what is art? Art is a creative activity that expresses imaginative or a technical skill. What is the art process? The process in which art is created. What are the 5 steps in the art process? Step 1 is brainstorming. Step 2 is draw out your plan. Step 3 is evaluating your plan. Step 4 is completing the artwork. And step 5 is adding the final details. All right, well, that sums up for today. And tomorrow, I would like to get a little bit more in depth with you. I hope you guys are excited about this as I am. And let's create some art sometime soon. All right, thank you.